ladies, my name is Sherelle Desire, owner and designer of SherelleDesire.com, a brand all about empowering women to stay fabulous, where we offer all the fabulous statement fashion for the fabulous. We meet here live on Instagram and Facebook at 8 p.m. Eastern every Fabulous Friday, where we sip, shop, and slay. Tonight, I wanted to kind of bring you guys some tipsy tips. And with tipsy tips, I'm going to bring you one of my favorite cocktails I love to make. This is a cocktail that you can make at home for yourself or for your girls. You want to come live for Cocktails and Convo. You want a little quick little sexy little cocktail that you can bring on live with us. Here you go. So to make the cocktail, you want to start off with a vodka base or a gin. It depends on which this is just what I had around. And we're going to add some cherry syrup, a little bit of lemonade, and our garnish is some good old cherries. Now, if you are a fabulous girl, you got to have yourself a little mixer cup that you can purchase. This is my handy dandy rose gold mixer cup. What we're going to do first to start our cocktail is we're going to measure out 3 shots of vodka. So tipsy tip number 1 is if you are out with the girls or you're out with your bae and you don't want to go back and forth to the bar. You just want to get a little lit without running back and forth to the bar. You don't want to drink a little too much. You just want one hit a quitter. Get yourself a martini. A martini contains 3 shots of alcohol, so you should be able to get the job done. Okay, so I'm measuring out 3 shots. Now what we're going to do is add a little bit of the cherry syrup. This is going to give it a nice little sweetness. I'm going to measure out about 1/4 ounce of syrup. Boop. Then what we're going to do is add a little lemonade. So it's like a cherry lemonade type of flavor. Really easy to make. I'm just going to free pour that. And then we're going to do is shake up in our shaker. I like to get it nice and cold, so shake it. And then we are going to use our strainer. Here we go, ladies. Yes, this is the fab cocktail. Yes. And, ooh, yes. So, ladies, be sure to join the fabulous formation today by visiting SherelleDesire.com and simply by subscribing. And be sure to tag a fabulous friend below and share with your friends. Thank you, ladies. Stay fabulous.